Hi, Hemant.
Hi, Shanti.
So you're doing second demo on Terraform IAC today, right?
Correct. Correct.
Okay. Yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So today's demo is on automating the manual process of creating Azure Virtual Machine with Ubuntu Linux, and also we'll be installing Nginx web server on Azure on the VM as well. So we'll look into this prompt that I queried basically to give us some automation AI script that generates infrastructure as code um, templates in the ChatGPT and Gemini. So we can go here, try this. So we can see this Terraform with some scripts that was generated. So I have used some of it to come up with the solution. So here there are some prerequisites. I've installed Visual Studios, Azure CLI, and Terraform, and I already have access to the Azure portal to perform this demo. So this is architecture diagram. Basically, I have 3 Terraform files. One is for configuration, which is main file, and 2 are for storing variables. So I will be triggering some Terraform commands to connect to CLI, and the CLI should be able to connect us to the Azure portal to create this infrastructure for us. So this is the agenda. First, we'll perform manual execution of this demo. We'll try because there's some issue on the Azure portal, but we should be able to at least create the VM. Maybe not able to connect on the VM, but at least we're able to perform some tasks. And we'll come back to the Terraform and execute these steps through the script. So this is a script that I have. One is for variables file with all the details of the resources, the names that can be assigned to these resources are given here, like subscription, location, VNet name, subnet name. The second is for environment related details also I have mentioned here, and location. And these are all the resources code related to configuration file, which is main.tf. So here we can see network security group allowing both ports HTTP and SSH. And after that, we are also creating the virtual machine. This is a code for that. And we are giving some specific details about the version, the disk type, the image. So all details will go here. Under provisioner, we'll be using this to basically execute some of the commands on the VM to install our Nginx web server. And here are the screenshots for those same commands that got executed. So we first log in to the web portal using Azure login. We pick one of those subscription IDs. And once the connection is established, we basically validate and execute a plan command that would set up and give us an update on how many resources will be created. You can see there are 8 resources. And once that validation is done, we go ahead and execute the apply command to create this infrastructure for us in the portal. So you can see the VM is created and it's trying to connect to SSH, and the connection is now established. And you can see it also executed the commands relating to creating the VMs. Here you can see the Nginx server is also installed on the VM now. So everything successful. So because there is some um, issue on the Azure portal itself to connect to the virtual machine. So I've connected through SSH and verified that the Nginx is up and running. You can see the green worded letter saying it's active and running. So this, and in addition to this, we can also look at some of test cases that can be used to test some scenarios related to this test scripts, and that's mentioned in this um, URL as well. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and perform activity. So Shanti, do you still want me to do the manual VM creation and come back, or should we go ahead?
Manual is required in this demo. This is enough. I think you are done. Can you give me URL here? Web page URL.
Web page URL for?
Nginx server, right?
This is just screenshots. I have to run from the.
No, you are going to create the setup, right? Now,
Yeah.
with
No, I
Terraform,
haven't.
right?
Yes. Yeah.
Understand.
Once created, I will. We can
Yes,
verify. I don't know from the browser, but we can at least verify from the SSH shell putty.
public URL, basically, right?
Yeah. Yeah. We can try that. Sure.
Yeah, go ahead with your running the script now.
Sure. So initialize Terraform. I already connected to the portal, so I don't need to give that. So I will go ahead and set up the plan. So here basically we are giving a variable file uh, um, and asking to output for this related to this on dev.ans. Okay, so validation is complete. We'll go ahead and apply. Okay, it's saying that 8 resources will be created. So I'm saying yes. You can see all the process of creating this resource has been started. All the dependency resources for VM are now being created, like NIC network security group, IP address, okay, now the VM is created and the connection is established. I can see that. We'll try to grab the IP address and we'll see if we can launch the VM on the browser as well once this is complete. Okay, fine. So I think the installation is complete. You can see the green status, 8 resources added. So we'll try to grab this IP address for this resource and connect from the browser. Yeah, so IP address. Okay, let's copy this. Shanti, you are there?
Yeah, you copied
Okay,
it?
I'm just pasting the IP address. You can try. I'm going to try it from SSH as well, if I can connect. Okay. I think I gave a wrong password.
Yeah, welcome to Nginx. I got it. It's good running. Website is good.
Okay. Yeah, I was also able to connect with SSH. Okay.
Right. Now we can destroy the environment
Yes.
with the destroy the Terraform on it.
Okay. I have triggered that command. I think this will take some time for us.
Yeah, you have done the manual demo for Nginx server building, right? Separately.
Yes. Earlier, I
Okay.
had a demo. Yes.
Right. Right. That's correct. Okay.
So can go ahead and stop the sharing.
Pardon?
So we wait for the destroy to complete, or
Yeah, let us
okay.
show resources are not existing after destroy command, right?
Yes.
I go to the Azure portal and show that
Sure.
verification. Your
Mm.
script is executing correctly, completely to destroy the environment also.
Okay. So it's saying 8 resources will be destroyed after this step. I'll say yes. So I should also lose connection here, or I can say exit.
Just go to Azure portal and check one by one
Okay.
the components from the code snippets. That's VM need to be destroyed, right?
Yes.
After that, the group security groups, then later the networking components.
Currently, I think only left is the disk.
Okay. VM is remote, right?
Yeah, VM is remote. Yeah.
Okay. Then VP is virtual networking.
Yeah, even that is remote. I don't see anything in the resource group except
Okay.
disk.
But it created the virtual network, right?
Yes.
Okay. Right. That's fine. Then major reasons
Okay.
are destroyed it. It is under process for other things, right?
Right.
Okay. I'll stop recording. Good.
Okay.